Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from GrowingCraft, and I just thought of doing a decoupage on glass bottle, and this is going to be something really different which I have never ever done. So let's get started, but before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button if you like this video. So here I have taken a white color gesso and I'm going to apply this on my complete bottle, and trust me, this looks amazing. And the gesso is something which really preps up the base for your working. And I'm using my sponge dauber because I really want no marks, no brush marks on my bottle at all, and that's the reason sponge dauber is one of my favorite tool. So if you are a decoupage artist or you are learning or you are a beginner, then please do try with the paint brushes and the sponge daubers also, because they are absolutely amazing. And once you try it, you will easily make out the difference between the paint brushes and the sponge dauber. So here again I'm using my sponge dauber only, and I'm just trying to make sure that I spread the color, my gesso, really well on my base. And I'm going to work with my decoupage napkin, my paint, so I just want to make sure that I cover up all the patches really well here. Now my bottle has dried out completely, and this is how it looks, and I absolutely love the finish and the look and feel of the bottle already. Now here I am tearing off my designs which I am going to use on my bottle, and here I am using the technique of my paintbrush dipped in some water, and I am going to make a borderline with a paintbrush, and then I'm going to tear it off. And this is such a super easy way of taking up a design from a particular decoupage napkin, and this works really cool. So this is my napkin which is ready to be sticked on my bottle, and here I have my flat brushes. Now here I am going to use my matte finish Mod Podge, and I will start sticking it from one corner of the bottle, and I'm going to roll it up completely on the bottom areas. Now with the second dry brush, it's a complete flat dry brush, and with that I'm going to stick it. This is a very crucial part, that here you need to be really careful when you are pressing your napkin with your flat brush, and you have to make sure that it sticks well and you don't overdo the pressing work, otherwise your tissue might get tear off and you might ruin your product. Sticking it very gently, and I'm just trying to make sure that I do not press it too much. Here and there, wherever I need, I am going to use my brush to press it well, and with the scissor I'm just going to trim off the extra areas of my napkin, and this is just perfect. If you can cut it beforehand, that's fine. And here I'm using my paintbrush, the back side of my paintbrush, and I'm just adding dots to this one. À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter. Everything is done, and now it's time to seal my project. And instead of using my Mod Podge on my decoupage napkin, I am going to use my varnish, and you can see how beautiful this bottle looks, and I'm extremely happy the way it has turned out, and this is what exactly I wanted, and I am really in love with this bottle. So now here I am going to use my flat brush and I am going to use my varnish and I am going to seal this complete project. And with this my project is done. I'm sharing few more pictures of this product at the end. Do check that. I have listed down all the supplies down in the description box with the links to buy them so that it's easier for you. And in case if you are not able to find any of the supplies, you can ping me in the comment section below. I'll try to get it for you if possible for me. So with this I will take goodbye, and yes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.